Hello everyone, this is my review of this toilet safety rail. This toilet safety rail is made of aluminum and it's adjustable so you can fit just about any size bathroom or seat that you need. You can adjust the width of it and the height of it. It supports about 300 pounds of weight. It's very easy to assemble. You don't require any tools to assemble it. You can do it by hand. It has hand screws that will lock in the legs and clips that lock in the sidebars. It's good for any elderly person or any physically impaired person that can't sit down in the toilet or get up off the toilet without some assistance so they can support themselves on the bars, keep them stable and prevent them from falling over. So this is a pretty good product. I highly recommend it. And I hope this review helps.